So, Year 7, today we're doing something that hopefully is pretty straightforward. We've done rounding of numbers before. Today we're doing specifically rounding of decimals. The method's pretty straightforward. All you do is cut the decimal and look at the next number. That's all we need to do. But something that might help a little bit is to know that a nearest tenth equals 1 decimal place. Hundredth, 2, thousandth, 3. Okay, I haven't done much of this year with you, but you should know when you've got hundreds, tens, units, decimal point, and then tenths, hundredths, thousandths. All right? Hopefully you've seen that before, but you know that that decimal point goes between the units and the tenths. So it's like it's coming down to a focus and then coming back out again. Just remember that. So let's look at our question. Example 1, the question is round 0.0871245. And for our sake of this question, I'll write it down to 1 decimal place. So we can see that 1 decimal place is there. We cut it there. And we look at the next number. And as you know with rounding, if it's 5 or more, you round up. If it's less than 5, you round down. My number here is 1. Is it more or less than 5? Less. You're right. So, part A, the answer is 0.0. You can look at that and go, but that's 0. Yep, it is. Well done. But still write it down. If you just put 0 on the page, you probably lose the mark because you've been asked to round it to 1 decimal place. Question.
You got the number wrong. You did a 1 instead of that.
Oh, I did too. Let's try and do the right number. Let's write the number down correctly. Thank you for pointing that out. If it was that one, you would do it that other way. So our number is 0.871245. Thank you for putting. Can I write the right number again? Let's try again. Mr. Clark's having one of those days.
Yeah, because you lost to me twice.
Our number is 0.0871245. We're going to go to 1 decimal place. So we cut at 1 decimal place. We look at the next number. It's 8. Is that more or less than 5? More. So we're going to round up. And so it's 0.1 is the answer to 1A. What about B? Let's take out our cut this time and put it in again. If I'm rounding to the nearest thousandth, what number is the cut going after? What number is the cut going after? If it's the nearest thousandth. Yep. After the 8, that's the hundredths. After the 7, good. So my cut's actually going to go there, and I need to look at the next number. The next number is a 1. Am I going to round the 7 up or down? Down would be what I'm looking for. So our answer is 0.087. Make sure you know 10th, 100th, 1000th, because I think if you know it's 1, 2 or 3 decimal places, you know how to count, but make sure you know these ones. Look at the next number, round up or down. Let's get to do some work.